It is often said, God doesn't judge. The question is, how tolerant is God? Bishop Tsietsi Magiti had a vision of unity and prosperity from a divine entity. He saw a unique way of connecting to God under the influence of alcohol. And in 2017, he founded Gabola Church, a church with the most honest and happiest members. Gabola Church is a church for drunkards, where you learn about the Bible while indulging in alcohol. Heaven on earth, he calls it. This is the most accepted church in Africa, South Africa, and the world. In Gabola Church, church members are baptized with alcohol. Tithe donation is for beer, cider, whiskey, brandy, what?
Van onze Here Jesus en die genade